model, 2018 Mercedes Vito 114 CDI damaged repaired starts drives great no VAT bargain. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 96,277. Engine, 2,143 CCOM 651 136 HPB. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. ABS and airbag lights are on the dash. ABS light is on for the rear passenger sensor and airbag light is on because the passenger and driver's airbag will need replacing. They've never been replaced since the accident in 2018, flushed. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest